How to change your Discord password if you forgot it. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we will be guiding you through on how you can change your Discord password if you have forgotten it. So let's just get started with the process on how we can do that. So first of all, head over to the Discord, and when you head over to Discord and open up your U tab and go to the settings of your Discord and go to the account settings and head over to the password section. You should be finding current password and new password if you want to change your password, but we don't have the forgot password section in case we have forgotten a password. So in order to do that, you need to open up a browser instead and head over to discord.com, and here you need to enter your email and your phone number and your password, and below that you can find a section called forgot your password. So if you have forgotten your password, you're just gonna click on this forgot your password and follow the on-screen prompts, and you should be able to recover your Discord account again. And that is it. You can change the Discord password if you forgot it by following those methods. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.